Welcome to Soft Speak's Fun in the Outdoors channel.
Setup. But today we've got the little guy tent next to it, attached, because we got our little dog with us, and she's old, so today's actually her 14th birthday, and she has a hard time getting around now. So we got ourselves set up with our chairs at the fire pit so we can hang out. We got lots of wood. They delivered this to us yesterday. You have to buy at least 55 pieces, so we got way more wood than we actually need. So here's our little guy, Silver Shadow, LOLA, and we brought 2 tents, but we didn't set them up. We decided we didn't need it because the weather is just perfect. And let's say hello to Amy. It's Amy's birthday. Happy birthday, Amy! Say happy birthday. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, so I like camping. Yes, I do. And we have this set up for cooking with our little grill. It's one thing we didn't get here. We didn't get any grills. Most camp grounds have grills on their sides, but Jekyll Island doesn't. So this is our galley kitchen. We take our cooler out and put them in different places, so I've got room for under here to store a bin with dishes and everything, as well as other things. So here's my dishwashing station. I wash in the sink, but I also use the tables to put everything. And here's our tent that's attached, and we just got a place to put clothes and towels and things like that in there.
We're going to cook a small breakfast before we go out for the day. We brought some hash brown casserole that we made prior to the trip to go along with our bacon and eggs. The smell of bacon in the morning. The hash browns are warming up nicely. Well, after a great meal, there's always the dishes. Well, the teardrop does have only one sink, but I also have a double plastic sink, which holds the dirty and soapy dishes. Well, thanks for joining us at our campsite at Jekyll Island Campground.